Alright, what's up everybody? My name is Justin, Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through 3 of our next flips. So, if you guys remember a few videos back, I actually sold my snowball concession business. We took that money and we bought 3 different flip vehicles. We know you guys missed the flip series so much. So, in this video, I'm just going to be walking you guys through each of them. I'm going to show you in the order that we're going to be selling them. Each of these cars is going to get 2 videos. One is going to be a detailing video, and the second is going to be a selling vlog video. So, first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at this Red Ranger. We got Pops here. He's going to do us the honors and open the hood. Dad, what year is this one?
It's a 2000.
This is a 2000 Ford Ranger. As you guys can see, we did 2 Ford Rangers as well as a Ford Taurus. Ford Focus. Okay.
This one just turned 117,000 miles.
117,000 miles. So the reason why we got this one was low mileage. This is a vehicle from out of state. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this one first is because this one's going to need the least amount of work. Right, Pops?
Yep.
Okay, so if we kind of take a look around here, the only thing that's really wrong with this truck is it does have some body damage. It's got a little bit of body damage on the driver's side, as well as there is a little bit of body damage here on the passenger side as well. So apparently this vehicle belonged to an older gentleman. He was very, should I say, delicate with it?
Yeah, he was. He drove it up and down the driveway to go pick up his mail and his newspaper.
Right.
And you could tell that he probably got a little bit beyond being able to drive it, dinged up a few things, and then so he went ahead and sold it. So
this is one of the cleanest ones. Like I said, that's why we're showing it to you guys first. This is going to be the easiest clean and sell right here. The only problems that we do have is with just a little bit of body damage. It's not going to be a huge deal. Super low miles, 117,000. We're just going to do a quick detail on the inside. Pops is going to work his magic with all of the scratches and everything. Put a little buffer on it, right, Pops? One of the things that we really like is we got the white walls out on this one, and the rims are going to clean up nicely. So this one, low miles, it's going to go pretty quickly. This will be our first flip. We'll be able to clean it up really quick. The next one, we're going to go ahead and move on to the Ford Focus. This was actually the closest one that we found. This one was about 6 minutes up the road. You kind of want to tell a story on it a little bit?
yeah, just it got posted up for $1,000. And it's got 150,000 miles on it.
Wait, let's not tell them everything. So we can't give them the whole story, but we got it for a good price, we promise. Y'all are gonna have to wait for the video to see exactly how much we bought it for. But this is gonna be the Tour, so it actually does need some work to it. Pops, what kind of engine work do we need on this one?
This one needs the 2 motor mounts changed and then some brake work.
Right, because it does have a little bit of a shake to it. So 2 motor mounts, brake work, and this one should be good to go. It was posted for $1,000, so you can imagine that we did get this one for a very good price. 150,000 miles on the dash. As you can see, we'll probably take these seats out, vacuum everything out, as well as just come through with the Bissell Spot Clean Pro, clean the seats, clean the back. This one should come out relatively clean. So this one is going to be our second flip. Just because it does need a little bit of work on it, but it's not as much small things as the other Ranger. So with that being said, I'll give you guys a look at the back here. Side's relatively clean, not too bad. And then as you guys can see, we got some oxidation on the paint. You think you can be able to take that off then?
They look like brand new.
Look like a baby's bottom, right? So the back was actually full of all kind of stuff when we picked it up, and we asked the guy if he wanted to take it out, and he said it wasn't his. So I don't know what the story was on that, but some cowboy hats and some all kind of crazy stuff.
All the paint will buff out pretty nice. It'll look really, really nice when it's done.
Right, 150,000 miles on this one. It was posted up for $1,000. You guys are gonna have to wait to see exactly how much we got it for and how much we're gonna make on it. We do have a little bit of mechanical work that needs to be done, but it shouldn't be too bad whatsoever. So last but definitely not least, we have another Ford Ranger here. This one did come from out of state. Like I said, that one was the closest in proximity to us, just about 6 minutes away up the road. This one does need a little bit more of nitpicky stuff. So as you guys can see, it's actually missing a fog light right there. So that's the one thing, but it is the newest year model. So this is actually a 2011. So this is the newest year model. It is a 2011. It does have the 4.0 liter engine in it. This one's got, I believe, 170 something thousand miles. 173,000 miles on the dash. We just brought it to a mechanic shop just yesterday. Had 4 new tires put on because it needed new tires. We got a new battery on it, as well as we got the oil changed. This one does need a few little nitpicky things. The body's in relatively great condition. It just needs these little seals here, we ordered some new ones of those. I'm going to be replacing these on both sides. The carpet in here is probably some of the dirtiest carpet that I've ever had. So we'll be taking the seats out of this one as well as that Ford Focus and trying to clean the carpet as best as possible. But we got some big floor mats, so those should cover some stuff for us. As well as it does need a piece that goes right there to cover up the fuse box. And besides that, it's just going to need a great detail. Dad, like before, is going to work his magic on the exterior of the vehicle. I think we're also going to take off these rims and repaint those because they could probably look a little bit cleaner. No white walls on this one, but we did get a good deal on the tires. Paid about $350 for all four, right, Dad?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. You want to add anything else on this one?
No, man, this one should clean up really nice. So this will be the last one just because we're waiting on some title work.
Right, as well as we got a few parts coming in. So this is it, folks. We are back in action. We got 3 flips coming up on the channel for you. Like I said, this one's going to be first, so be looking out for a video on that. We're going to go ahead and get these vehicles moved out of here. That way we can pull them in the garage and do some good work to them. So stay tuned. We're going to have a bunch of videos coming. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And if you made it this far in the video, what should be the word of the day?
Oh, hat trick.
The word of the day is hat trick. Comment that down below and I'll hashtag you a real one. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. And until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.